Well, it's hard to believe it's already been about a month, so let me go ahead and show you this month's EDC. So one of the biggest changes are my keys. I've taken all the extras that were on it last time and just stuck those in my EDC bag, which is in the trunk for when I visit the grandkids. So this is pretty much all I carry on my keys now. As far as face masks, these get rotated out, but got a Vegeta mask there, and I don't know who this is. I don't know, is that Piccolo? I don't know. So those are the masks. In the vest, we got the pepper gel gun. What else do I got in here? And the scraper. In the front left pocket, we got the Super Mario Brothers bifold. The Alcatel cell phone. Sanitizer spray. Army Challenge coin I picked up. $1 headlamp. Ozark Trail that looks to be dying. I wonder if it got turned on in my pocket. On the back left pocket, the folder of the day, the Coast TX399 with custom paint job by yours truly. The back right pocket is a little notebook I got in the craft section at Walmart for $1.97. Front right pocket, we got 2 red ink pen I got at Staples, and a marker I got at Staples. I'm not going to undo the sheath. We got the little Uzi fixed blade hanging out. The sheath is hanging to a belt loop with some paracord. Two flashlights, a rechargeable one I got at Menards, and one of the Cabela's Essential Combo flashlights, AAA battery. Torch lighter, shotgun shell for some reason, challenge coin cases, Right in the Rain Poca pen, or Paca pen, and in the carpenter pants pockets, whatever. My short person stick. And another pepper gel. And finally, in my fifth pocket, I've got cocoa butter, lip balm, Bic lighter, and the Kershaw diode. So that is, I guess, February's. This is my on-body carry. Oh, one more. One more thing. The Cold Steel Recon 1 Tanto Mini. So that is my on-body everyday carry. Well, the masks stay on my dashboard, and I spray them with sanitizer spray and then swap them out to wash. But everything else stays on me. Well, the folder switches daily too. I'm trying to rotate through my folders. And this one, eventually, I probably will stop rotating out my folders and just carry this folder exclusively. Oh, I'm not done yet. Hold on. A couple more things I forgot. In the last month's video, I forgot. So I got my $15.88 watch, Casio from Walmart. I've been using this since the day I bought it. I even bought the G-Shock one, and I haven't used it because I'm trying to do a long-term test of this one. It's been doing me well, even though there's scratches on the what is this called? Not the case, but you know, on the window. You could still read the time. So no problems with water. And then finally, my neck knife setup. So I still have my sharpener, a little flashlight, and then the Model 8607 pound Ozark Trail fixed blade. I've been using this one exclusively for when I'm without my jacket in the house to cut down mostly boxes and food packaging, the occasional zip tie, and paracord and jute twine. And then I also swap this out every day and throw it in the laundry, so I have a clean one to put them on. And then my daughter made this little bead thing that I just decided to stick on there. There. That will be my on-body everyday carry for the most part for February.